In front of me is Hotwav Note 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by launching settings and scrolling to hit sound and vibration. Now scroll again and click on vibration and haptics section. You can switch them off or on by clicking on this switcher at the top. If you decided to enable vibration and haptics, you can click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to disable or enable haptic feedback for them. When you're ready, go back. Click on the shortcut to prevent ringing, and if you want to, tap on vibrate here to assign it. Then select those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to manage those two options as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!